Today we will talk about the foundation of good code practice, SOLID or solid principles. Let's begin. The Solid Principles programming is a modern programming paradigm that emphasizes the use of modular, well-defined, and cohesive code. It strives for readability, testability, and maintainability. The main advantages of using Solid Principles programming are that it is easier to understand and maintain code, that it is faster to write, and that it is more adaptable to change. Solid is a software development methodology that is based on the 5 principles: single responsibility principle, open-closed principle, Liskov substitution principle, interface segregation principle, and dependency inversion principle. These principles help developers to create modular, cohesive, and testable codebases. Let's look over each letter. Letter S, the single responsibility principle. There should never be more than one reason for a class to change. In other words, every class should have only one responsibility. Letter O, the open-closed principle. Software entities should be open for extension, but closed for modification. Letter L, the Liskov substitution principle. Functions that use pointers or references to base classes must be able to use objects of derived classes without knowing it. Letter I, the interface segregation principle. Many client-specific interfaces are better than one general-purpose interface. Letter D, the dependency inversion principle. Depend upon abstractions, not concretions. In conclusion, when developing software, it's important to remember solid principles. Keep in mind to always use the principle that makes the most sense in the given situation, and make sure your code is documented so that others can understand it. Finally, test your code to ensure that it performs as expected. The solid principles are a valuable tool for developing well-organized and maintainable code. As a software developer, it's important to understand these concepts and apply them to your own work. Why do you think solid principles are so important? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.